Shut up.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Hello people and welcome back to Otr Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy road rage in which one guy stole a truck and tried to flee from the owner, but he didn't get too far. So stay tuned for this one.
He has a gun!
Oh shit.
Babe, he has a gun! Get out of here! Oh my god, baby, he has a gun! Oh my god, baby!
Oh shit.
Babe! Oh my god!
In this video, a driver from the oncoming lane found himself on the opposite side of the road, and before you know it, he hit the camera head on. It all happened so fast and at a sharp corner. A lot of these drivers nowadays don't know how traffic lights and right of way work. Please, don't be like these drivers. It's actually quite simple. If it's red, you stop, and that's that. In this video, you will see some of the most common mistakes made by rude drivers in traffic. Pay close attention, and please, try your best to learn out of all these mistakes and don't repeat them.
And issuing high praise to the ones who should be praised, just as the other teachers do. The students would have been grateful to me, and I would have been able to fulfill the role of teaching as my vocation. More than ever, I wish I had never heard about all these ideals.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
There are many people.
Camera was only inches away from getting involved in an accident with a Ford driver who pulled out onto the road but managed to stop in the last possible second. This was really close. Camera's hood popped open during the ride, but apparently it was all because he was changing oil at a Walmart 5 minutes prior to this, and they didn't close it properly.
And the owner was asking when Trump comes or various other candidates. She said when Trump comes, there's this massive crowd. She also praised Nikki Haley. Said she's.
In 400 meters, use the right lane to take the Western Road South ramp to Ontario 401.
Rocks.
I want you to pay close attention at this driver who's driving like a madman on the road and he's approaching the camera really fast. Also, note that the traffic is really dense, but this guy doesn't care and he's speeding. Of course, that's about to cost him heavily. Stay tuned for this one.
Land biology and botany, some geological work, core drilling and testing. You never really exhaust the possibilities of an entire planet. Do you also investigate the spice? Kind's turn, and Paul noted the hard line of the man's cheek. A curious question, my lord. Bear in mind, Kind, that this is now my field. My methods differ from those of the heart.
I want you to pay close attention at the van driver in lane 2. He pulls up from the non-moving queue back into lane 1 and nearly caused a pileup. And on top of that, he moved forwards a few meters only to jump back into the right-hand lane, nearly causing an accident once again. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Otr Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning a thing or two based on all the fails you saw in today's episode. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, to make you learn simply by observing the mistakes of other drivers. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that would really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe guys and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe out there.